Hello, my dear viewers. I'm thrilled to have you back on my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of social media and the lucrative opportunities it offers. More specifically, we're talking about TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, and how these platforms can help you make some serious money online. TikTok is undeniably on the rise as a platform for content creation, with a whopping 1.5 billion downloads worldwide in just half a year. And guess what? TikTok pays its creators. You can earn through brand partnerships or through the Creator Next program. Here's a quick breakdown. If you have 100K followers and secure 10 partnership deals, that's a cool $50,000 in your pocket. Impressive, right? Now let's shift our focus to Facebook. Did you know that Facebook offers an opportunity to make an astonishing $4 million a month? Yes, you heard it right. The platform has an amazing feature called Marketplace that allows entrepreneurs to sell their products directly. You can even consider selling items on eBay and then redirecting buyers to your Facebook page for additional sales. The possibilities are endless. Lastly, let's explore YouTube. With 2 billion users globally and an average income of $441 per month from 30 videos with 100 views each, YouTube is a goldmine for content creators. So there you have it, folks. A quick peek into the world of making money online through social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication to make this happen. But hey, who said dreams don't come true? Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and informative. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this one. Until we meet again next time, take care and keep chasing those dreams.